Hi, my name is Ahreum Lee. I'm presenting multiple selves that I made 2020 to 2021 during the residency at Pelvisignan. Multiple Self is an experimental sound piece that contains 3 songs titled Glitch Echoes, Glitch Ghost, and Glitch's Error. These titles are from the book Glitch Feminism, written by Legacy Roussel, and I will come back to this book later. Its runtime is approximately 10 minutes in total. These songs were generated by text-to-speech application that I created. Simply, I typed the words and the text-to-speech application generated the voice, and it became a song. The 3 choir members mimic the sound of an artificially generated voice. The text-to-speech application was based on the International Phonetic Alphabet of English Words. I used the data of CMU dictionary. Syllables were generated by randomly alternating pitch, length, and tone of the pronunciations. Based on research on gender hierarchy of voice, I aim to state each syllable with different pitches and tones, represent the glitched self and multiple selves. So I will show a clip of my work. Performance were by PHTH Ensemble, Sarah Albu, Kathy Kennedy, and Andrea Yan. First part that you listen was the song that I generated by my application, and second part was the performance. I have been interested in voice because voice carries quite a lot of information. Trained researchers can reliably estimate the person's race, face shape, and other key physical information based on the sound of voice. Voice is not only giving physical information to the experts, but also delivering other messages unconsciously when we have a conversation. We tend to change our own voice depending on the voice we are talking to. So Leo Gomez found that people shift the pitch of their voice depending on the perceived disparity in social status between themselves and the person to whom they are speaking. When we speak, we are not only talking to humans, but also talking to virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google. When you communicate with virtual assistants, we command and they answer. So it's a bit different than humans' conversation. Even though we know this is not a real human, psychologically we are having a conversation as if speaking to human being, because our language function in our brain is triggered the same way as a person-to-person conversation. This research is by reading this book, Wild for Speech. The possibility of non-gender or gender-ambiguous computer-generated voice has not been widely considered to be used because of the commercial nature of their production. Rather, Siri or other similar AI voices are more likely to reinforce gender prejudice. This is the one article by Annalie Newitz, and I will put this link later on the back. So I wanted to make a gender-neutral voice, gender-neutral computer-generated voice, because computer has a possibility to do it, even though we often categorize the gender when we hear. And I'm thinking of the multiple being as oneself. So I have inspiration from glitch feminism. This project aims to create computer-generated voice that suggests the possibility of non-gender voices. I adapted the concept of multiple selves. It is actually originally from Janie's Manifesto Nope. Instead of making singular computer voice, this project embraced the concept of multiplicity as a self and approached the voice without continuity by differing all the pitches and tones of single phonetics. So these are the example of that when I type glitch is error, then it's divided to G, L, E, and Ch sound by the data of a dictionary, and it all has a different tones and pitches. And then people mimic the sound. Instead of making computer-generated voice like human, I approach like a human learn and mimic the sound of the computer speaking as we learn a song. So these are my references, and my name is Credit. Thank you.